Here's the thing, man. It's like nothing is important. I did the Beastie Boys album with Jay-Z.
When you're creating, the most important thing is not to create.
Great one. Good, actionable, inspiring,
actionable.
Yeah.
I have my uncle gave me a mini Moog from like 1970.
You can be like Rick Rubin, doing nothing.
He's just growing his beard.
Sitting in a white room with that in the center of it.
Oh yeah, the thing you have to do is you have to get out of your own way.
Oh, thank you.
Does that mean like fucking yourself up the ass?
Exactly.
Oh.
And the Beastie Boys are legends.
Full access to all episodes and more, visit mde.tv.